Nice to meet you, everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Can we start?
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Okay. Uh, Before that, how can I pronounce your name?
Oh, okay.
Irena? Irena?
Yeah, yeah, it was right. It's Elena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Irena. How are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Rahma Firgiani, and there are my friends.
Hello,
Okay, hello.
my name is Bella. You can call me Bella.
Hello, Bella. Okay. Hello, hello, Abu.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay.
Nice to
First of
meet
all, I want to say thank you because you woke up so early to be able to join in Deepa Learning to help us in
you.
in our projects.
Don't
Okay.
worry. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. And I really hope that this learning can be useful for you. Okay. Before the lesson start, I would like to ask your permission to record a whole meeting. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, because I need to prove my lectures.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I would like to ask you again about the placement test that I have sent you in Google Form. You remember?
Yeah.
Okay. I will ask you again about that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Where do you know about Indonesia?
Where do I? So, I mean, from my mom, but
Oh, yeah.
yeah, but when I actually learned about Indonesia was when I started going to school. So I went to Jakarta Japanese school, and they taught us about Indonesian culture and history, and I think that was the first time I actually learned about Indonesia and its culture and history, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, have you ever heard people speaks Indonesia?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I've heard.
Uh, what?
I've heard someone spoken Indonesian before.
Oh, okay. And the next question is, what things that make Indonesia looks interesting for you, in your
Ah,
opinion?
it's food, it's nature, and,
Yeah.
and it's people. Yeah,
Oh, okay. So,
that-
what's your favorite food?
my favorite food is sate ayam and
Sate ayam.
yeah,
Okay.
and iga bakar.
Yeah. Iga
Yeah,
bakar was so nice.
yeah, iga
Delicious.
bakar. Yes, I love iga bakar and siomai.
Yeah. Okay. The last question is, what do you need in learning Indonesian or in learning bahasa? What do you need?
So I actually am doing internship in the Indonesia right now. I have to communicate with a lot of Indonesian people, and but sometimes I struggle to communicate with them because um, the words don't come out.
Oh,
So
yeah, yeah.
so I would love to learn like a formal, I guess, yeah, like a formal Indonesian, because I know it's a little bit different with the casual way we speak, like the formal
Mm.
Indonesian. So yeah, I would love to learn a little bit about that in the future, because I'm doing Duolingo right now with Indonesian, but they yeah, but they but they teach such a weird things in Duolingo. So they teach about like religion, and they told me about like dukun santet or something like So so I'm a little
But
bit
that's cool.
confused. Yeah, and then I don't know how, like, when I'm gonna use that word. So so yeah, Duolingo is a not very good tool to learn Indonesian, in my opinion.
Yeah. Yeah, because Duolingo is usually used for people who want to learn English, I
Yes.
think.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's weird when you learn Indonesian in Duolingo.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the question is over. Now
Okay.
let's move to our material.
Okay.
Uh, you already know about our material. It's daily activities, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Oh, I'm nervous.
No, it's okay. Don't be.
Okay. Before before we learn about daily activities or in bahasa, it called kegiatan sehari-hari. Yeah. Okay. Before getting to the material about daily activities, I will give you a little understanding about pronouns in Indonesia.
Okay.
Did you already know what is pronoun?
Uh, is it like saya, anda?
Ah, yeah, like that. Okay, that's great. Okay, pronoun in Indonesian is pronomina or kata ganti. Yeah,
Oh, I didn't know the name. It's actually
yeah,
yeah. Oh, okay. Pronomina.
yeah. It's pronomina. That is very important for everyday conversation.
Mm.
Okay, so before we learn about daily activities, we should know pronoun firstly. Okay. Pronoun it usually used for kata ganti for things, object, humans, animal, and other.
Mm.
Okay, these pronomina are divided into three. Persona pertama or kata ganti orang pertama or first person. Okay, kata ganti orang pertama is the person who speak or the first speaker.
Mm.
In English, there are I, me, it for singular. Singular, you know singular?
Yes.
Yeah, it for singular pronouns atau kata ganti pertama tunggal.
Mm.
Singular is tunggal. Okay. And for the plural, and for the plural, there are we. We. Okay. In Indonesian, we is kami atau kita.
Yeah.
Yeah. Singular is tunggal, plural is jamak, more than one. Yeah, okay. Okay. For the example, saya bekerja. I'm working.
Mm.
Or saya bisa bicara 3 bahasa. I can speak 3 languages.
Mm.
Okay. For example, aku sedang bermain dengan teman. I'm playing with my friends. Bermain is playing. Okay. Okay. Saya usually use for formal situation.
Mm.
Yeah. Such as when you want to talk with your lecturers or your parents, you should use saya.
Mm.
And me is usually used for informal situation.
Mm.
Yeah, such as when you talk with your friends or like that.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. The next is persona kedua or kata ganti orang kedua or second speaker. Second speaker are used in Indonesia to refer to the person you are speaking to.
Mm.
Yeah. In English, there are you for singular, In Indonesian, you is kamu. Yeah, the people who talk with me.
Mhm.
Yeah, like that. And for plural in English is them. Them, okay. In Indonesian is kalian. Yeah, more than one.
Mm.
Okay. Uh, for example, kamu harus pergi sekarang. You have to go now.
Mm.
Like that. Kemudian, and then for the next one is persona ketiga. Kata ganti orang ketiga. Or the other person being talked about. In English, there are he or she. Yeah, it's for singular. Okay. In English, there are he or she. He means he, but it's for boy, right?
Mhm.
And she it's for girl. But in Indonesian, there are nothing different. Dia, it can be for boy or for girls, like
Mhm.
that. Okay, it's for singular, and it and when and for plural or jama, there are mereka. Mereka in English is they.
They.
Like that. Okay. For the exam, are you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. For the example, the use of pronouns in daily activities can be seen from the way of introduction.
Mm.
Okay. Can you move to the next page? Okay. As you can see in our PowerPoint, there are how to be introduce yourself in bahasa.
Mm.
Hello. Hello is hi. Okay. Hello is hi. Hi is a greeting, right? In English is greeting.
Yeah.
Okay. Nama saya, my name is Eka. For example, my name is Eka. Nama saya Eka. Saya berasal dari Garut, Indonesia.
Mm.
I'm from Garut, Indonesia. Senang berkenalan denganmu. Nice to meet you. Yeah, like that. Yeah, it's so basic introduction. Okay. Do you want to try to introduce yourself with bahasa?
Sure.
Okay. Go on.
Oke, halo, nama saya Irena. Saya berasal dari Jepang. Senang berkenalan denganmu.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. Okay. I think it's enough for a little understanding about pronouns in Indonesia. For
Yes.
the next material is about daily activities will be delivered by my friends. Bella,
Okay.
Okay.
come on.
It will delivered by me. Okay, Arana. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And then now you know about how to introduce yourself, and then you know about first, second, and third person in pronouns or pronomina, right? And but before we will uh, go to the next material, I will ask you before, is there anything you know about Indonesian word or vocabularies?
Yes, I know. Actually, I recognize all of them on the slides.
Can you say what word it is?
Uh, yeah, everything like makan, minum, mandi,
Oh, you have
and
Yeah, you already know that.
Did you know that?
Yes, but sometimes, yeah, sometimes I get confused too.
Okay. Um. In other word, did you know what other words in, like, not not in the screen?
Like daily activities work.
Yes.
Yeah,
Um, wait, now that you ask me. um, mm, kerja.
Kerja. Do you know?
Kerja. Kerja means go to work.
That's right. And then any other words?
Uh, now that you put me on the spot, it doesn't come out. uh, uh, like talking, bicara is
Ah, yes.
for
Right. Talking is bicara, right?
bicara.
Okay. Because you already know Indonesian vocabularies, I want
Mhm.
to add some basic vocabularies. Not add, but just review again, maybe.
Yes.
Uh, vocabularies on the screen. First, uh, oh no, do you know how to talk about your daily activities?
Uh, yes, I think so. It's like I think in Indonesia there is no like past tense or like uh like the future tense. I mean, I guess future tense we have, but present and past we don't really have to differentiate, right? Which is
Right.
make it,
yeah,
yeah,
that's right. That's right.
which is make it a little bit easier, I guess. So yeah, that's the only thing I know.
Yeah,
Okay, we will study together
Mhm.
because in Indonesian it's a little bit easy than English.
Uh-huh.
To tell about what we do every day is not difficult because we already know that um, we do every day on regular basis. But in this occasion, we will learn about how to tell about the activities you do in Indonesian language, of course.
Mm.
There are general rules or procedures for becoming fluent in Indonesian that you can use in daily activities. First, you have to memorize atau menghafal kosakata aktivitas harian berupa kata kerja, or you have to memorize the vocabularies that you routinely use. Okay, for example, like verb. And as you know, makan, minum, mandi, jalan, nonton, belajar, bantu, and lari. Okay. Can you um no. Nah, makan it means eat, right? For the example is saya makan roti. It means I am eat a bread. And then minum it means for example, saya minum susu. It means I am drink a milk. And then saya mandi pagi. It means I take a bath in the morning. And jalan, saya jalan ke sekolah. It means like I walking to the school, atau walk to school. And nonton, saya sedang nonton televisi. I am watching television. And then belajar, kamu sedang belajar pada malam hari. You study in the evening or in the night. Bantu, saya membantu ibu. I am help helping my mom. And the last one is lari. Contohnya, for example, kucing berlari di jalanan. The cat is run in the road. Can you repeat
Oh, yes.
sentence?
Everything?
Yes.
Oh, oke. Saya makan roti, saya minum susu, saya mandi pagi, saya jalan ke sekolah, saya sedang menonton televisi, kamu sedang belajar pada malam hari, saya membantu ibu, kucing berlari di jalanan.
Yeah.
That's great, Ellen.
Thank you.
So, do you want to try to make short sentences?
Okay. I guess because I just started my day today, can I talk about my day yesterday?
Oh, yeah. Yes, you can.
Sorry. So, um, yesterday, what did I do? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yes. Kemarin, kemarin
Yes.
saya pergi ke bandara.
Oh,
Ya, bandara karena saya eh, ma mau pergi ke Kanada.
Yeah. Okay.
And yeah, I guess that's it.
Great.
Yeah.
okay. And yeah, I think that's all for me.
Mm.
By the way, your Indonesian language is so good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, for the next material, it will be delivered by my friends. Thank you.
Well, hello. Very nice to see you. Uh, yes, a little bit. Mm. Yes. Yes, but like tetapi, but I usually say tapi, not tetapi. Yeah,
Yeah.
formal. Mm, yes. And karena, I also know karena. I've never used jika. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's yeah. Atau I use sometimes. and of
Yes.
course, done, done. Yeah. Mhm, mm. Yes. Done. Mm. Yes. Ah, sure, sure. Uh, from the beginning? Ah, oke. Aku dan adikku sedang menonton televisi. Ibu dan ayah sedang memasak di dapur. Kamu ingin membeli es krim atau buku? Apakah Ani sedang belajar atau tidak? Terima kasih. Iya. Mmm, mhm. Sure. Oke. Eee, karena ingin memenangkan pertandingan, Adi berlatih sangat keras. Aku tidak ikut bermain dengan teman karena aku sedang belajar. Jika ingin pandai, maka harus rajin belajar. Jika ingin tubuh tetap sehat, maka harus memperhatikan apa yang dimakan. Dia cantik tapi sayang terlalu realistis. Ibunya baik tetapi anaknya punya karakter kurang baik. Terima kasih. Mmm, mhm. Yes, pagi, siang, sore, malam. Yes. Mmm, 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 siang. Mmm, malam. Mmm, yes, sure. Eee, saya bangun jam 5 pagi. Saya makan siang pukul 2 siang. Saya berjalan-jalan keluar rumah pada pukul 5 sore. Saya selalu tidur pada pukul 9 malam. So, sorry, I have
Yay.
a question. So, jam and pukul is like the same thing? Oh, okay. Okay. And but like, pukul is more formal or okay.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Oh, saya bangun pukul oke.
About
Ah,
time.
oke, ya ya ya. Oke, saya tidur pada pukul 11 malam kemarin.
Yay.
And saya bangun jam 8 pagi. Yeah.
Okay. So, learn bahasa is easy or difficulty in your opinion?
Difficult. Thank you. Terima kasih. But
Yeah.
but yeah, sometimes like it like it's a struggle for me. It can be a struggle to speak bahasa. So, and I didn't know the some words that like that we learned today. So we I really appreciate your time today for teaching me.
Ah, me too.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for help us to our projects.
Of course, anytime.
Okay. Because the first material in the first meeting is over. Do
Mhm.
you have any question?
No, just the pukul and jam.
Okay.
The pukul and jam questions. But other than that, pretty clear, pretty straightforward, I think. And I understood very
Thank
well.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Mm,
Yes? Yes. Yes, yes. The Indonesian I understand, but I guess for the young people, sometimes they use like uh like young people words, like
yeah.
like
like thing.
yeah,
Yeah,
slang,
slang. In
slang.
English
And
is
I
slang.
don't understand slang at all in Indonesian because my mom didn't teach me those kind of things.
Mm.
So like only basis, and like whenever I speak Bahasa, it sounds like kids, like a kid
Yeah,
speaking Bahasa.
I
I guess I
I
guess you ever heard a word of anjay.
Yes, yes, that I know. My 'cause my cousin used that word, but I personally don't. I've never used it. I don't swear very much, but some slang words I know, but sometimes it's just like, well, like I don't understand. It's just like changing every year.
Yeah.
That's it.
There are another word that make you struggle, like what? Maybe.
Uh, oh yeah, like yeah, I guess like time. I struggle with
Mm.
time, cause I guess or Indonesian people they say my mom used setengah tujuh, but setengah tujuh means is it 6:30 or 7:30?
a half seven
Is it is
a
it
half
7:30?
Uh, six
setengah
thirty.
setengah tujuh, it calls a half past seven maybe.
Half
Yeah.
past seven. It's seven.
How past how past six?
A half past six or half to seven.
Oh, you see, yeah, that's the problem for me. I don't understand. So every time my mom said, "Oh, setengah tujuh," I don't understand. Is it 7:30 or 6:30? I still struggle. but
Yeah,
but
six
yeah, I guess
thirty.
that's and I think yeah, that's all. I struggle with time and like uh words with like to put membat. I guess like if you call like membaca, menari, like those kind of thing, I it's hard for
Mhm.
me to put like "me" in front of the verbs, I
Ah,
guess. Yeah.
yeah. That's that's
Yes,
called imbuhan. Yeah. In
imbu
Indonesian, that's called imbuhan. We will
oh,
learn about imbuhan maybe in the second meeting.
Oh, okay, cool, cool. I would love to learn about that. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Apa lagi?
Oh, yes, I will let Eka Baika know.
I can hear you.
Wait. I will see my calendar. So tomorrow, actually, I have my graduation tomorrow, so I cannot do in the morning.
Wow. Wow. Congratulations.
But I can do on the 9 21 for you guys, I guess. 21
21.
Friday at the same time I can do. So 10 p.m. and 8 o'clock here. If
Oh,
it's
okay.
guys. I'm sorry I let you work at night.
It's okay. No worries. No worries because it's hard for us to find people who want to learn bahasa. Oh my
Oh,
god. And I have recommend you from my friends.
mhm.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can do on the 20th. Me 21.
Yeah.
No,
On the
20th
same day.
you yeah, on the same day, 20th. So
Mm.
Thursday, June 20, I can do.
And then for one more meeting.
One more meeting. I can do 21. So 2021 I
21.
can do at the same time if it's okay for you guys for doing
Okay.
it. I feel
Yeah.
sorry.
No worries because there are so many different times.
Mm-hmm. Big
Yeah.
time difference.
Okay. No worries.
But yes, 2021. So Thursday and Friday I can do.
Kamis dan
Yes, Kamis.
Okay. Because there are two more meeting that uh yeah we can do.
Mm-hmm. Sounds good.
Yeah, maybe in the next meeting we still learn about daily activities, but in the word sentence, in the
Ah,
paragraph. Yeah,
okay. Oh, paragraph. Cool, cool. Yes.
yeah, and we will try to analyze uh yeah the text.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Okay.
So exciting.
Yes. Okay. Before we end this meeting, can we take a selfie together?
Of course. Yes.
Okay. Dari Lian, maybe? Okay. Gimana ya?
One more. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you
Okay. Thank
so
you,
much.
Elena, for your time.
Thank
Okay.
you.
And thank you for
Thank you
yours.
so much. See
You
you in the 21.
and 20th. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thursday and Friday. Yes.
Okay.
See you guys. Thank you so much for your time.
See
Good.
you. I'm sorry if if the first meeting is so awkward for you.
Oh,
I'm
no,
so
it's
sorry.
okay. No worries at all.
Yeah,
I'll see
because
you.
I'm feeling so nervous.
Yes, I understand. Yes, don't worry. Yes, thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Okay. Thank you
I'll
so much.
stay
See
then.
you.
Bye. You, you guys too. Bye
Have a nice
bye.
day.
Bye bye.